Good day, traders. Mindset reset. Today we're talking about building consistency. One of the biggest challenges that traders in all areas of their trading have is usually building consistency, whether they're in the institutional side of things, unless they're involved in algorithmic type trading or quantitative and type trading. But for the average retail discretionary trader, the biggest challenge is usually consistency. And one of the things that reinforces the simplicity and duplication of best trade setups is the templates, and then stepping back and not trying to read the markets, but identifying high possibility candidates as the templates build. And so day one, day two, day three, whether that's a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, a Wednesday, Thursday, or a Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. In some cases, we can get Friday, Monday, Tuesday in a Thursday, Friday, Monday, depending on if it's high of the week, low of the week. And that comes back to understanding how the week starts. And that's our opening range, because our opening range will either break a level or it won't. And that tells us information right off the bat. Consistency is around the templates or the model of identifying whether or not it's a session opportunity. So for example, we could have an opening range that breaks a level on a Monday, and it gives us a high of session, low of session scalp. For example, for me in the US session, we might have broken out, we might go a little bit higher in the US window, but it's a 3 levels pump and dump for a session scalp. But over the course of 3 days, we can get a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday opportunity for a parabolic move after 3 sessions. We saw that on the Swiss franc. We can get a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday parabolic move after first red day, as we saw on the Euro USD for Friday parabolics. So once that range is broken out, number one, it identifies a candidate that could be potentially setting up for that session on that day. But also over the course of the week, we can now assess the template day 1, day 2, day 3 for maybe a Tuesday parabolic trend trade on day 2. We might have a Wednesday day 3 parabolic after escalator for the elevator ride down or up, depending on the template. We can get a market that breaks out on day 3 on a parabolic move and pulls back on day 2 Thursday for a creeping trend down for an explosive parabolic continuation trade on day 2, and then a Friday day 3 reversal. Or there's no setup at all on that particular pair. So again, the consistency is filtering through and using that model each and every day for the bigger template, the 5-star opportunities that are scalable in size. And I mean, rinse and repeat, and load. Some of those are 5-star, load the boats, all in parabolics, because they've got all the time frames driving those. Daily, weekly, 4-hour, hourly, everything's behind that move, because it's gone from one side to the other and it's not coming back, because they've got traders trapped and they're going fast and explosive, as we saw on gold. Now, I put up a chart on NASDAQ. You can go back and scroll through the last 50 weeks on 10 instruments and you'll find the exact same template probably shows up 50 times out of 500 charts that you filter through. But that's just one template, and that's one setup on a day 3 parabolic. So if you start to understand the templates are rinse and repeat, then that's what gives you the confidence for holding on to trades, adding positions in, knowing when to take them off, maybe knowing when there might be a reversal opportunity. As we saw yesterday, 1 hour, 2 hours up, taking out the high of the day, and then a 1 hour reversal all the way back down, and that closed into this consolidation at the end of the week. That's what helps you build consistency, because you're stepping back now and all you're doing is identifying the same setups over and over and over again on the bigger templates on different instruments. So rather than me trying to read this gap and that hunt and sit there for 4 hours scalping in and out, I'm looking for opportunities where I can be in the market for explosive moves, whether that's just for 50 pips in a session reversal or a session scalp, or if I'm in an all-in opportunity for 100 plus, 200 plus move, depending on the instrument, that's going to explode and get there and not come back. And that's when you can start to understand the power of size and scaling these up over time. And then how there's no limits. There's no limits, because those markets aren't coming back when those parabolic opportunities set up. But consistency comes in the process. Your process each day, not trying to read a market. Where's it going today? What's your bias today? That's not my objective. My objective is which instruments are setting up for best trade candidates, and which templates are the ones that I recognize are the highest possibility opportunities in this particular session or on the day itself for a bigger template move. Best trade setups, rinse and repeat over and over and over again. Several traders messaged me yesterday after the gold trade and they were completely blown away at how just cut and paste that template was and how it was just so obvious as we got to the end of the week. Trap volume, low of the week, day 4 breakouts triggered. They trigger new shorts into the market. The low of the week is locked in. We got 16, 18, 20 hours of volume trapped for a parabolic setup for an explosive move back to the high of the day from Thursday. So consistency comes in your process. That's where your P&L is going to be consistent, because now you're getting rid of the garbage. So again, reinforcing that concept that I keep repeating to traders, oh, you must be an expert at avoiding losses. You're effing right I am. You're effing right I am, because those types of opportunities that are 50-50 aren't even in my radar. I don't even think about that as trade opportunities anymore. Those aren't trades to me. Trades are those templates. When we get a parabolic opportunity for a vertical explosion or a collapse, that is what I'm looking for. And the bigger picture are the ones that I'm looking to scale up with size. The rest is bread and butter. So if you're reading markets and trying to guess directions and you get some, you lose some, you're engaging in impulsive behavior, you're going back and forth and trading all different times and no consistency. Consistency starts back with your routine, right from the moment you go to sleep at night to the moment you go to sleep at night. That whole circle is a repeatable process that you do each and every day. Everything about your day is rinse and repeat. So if you want to change something, as we talk about in the 7-step daily routine for high performance traders, replace the things that you want in your life that are going to help you achieve the objectives you're after. So don't try to just eliminate stuff. Replace those things with actionable steps that are going to be moving you in a direction of constant progress. Consistency comes from your daily routine. Whatever you want to achieve out of this in terms of trading, your personal life, whatever that is, start putting the action steps in place that are going to replace things that aren't getting you there. And that goes back to your process, your routine, your trade setups, the templates, all of those things, and start identifying with the things that are actually going to achieve the results that you're after. Been a huge week, traders, and again, congratulations to the traders that nailed those trades. Fantastic week. And guess what? Nothing's going to change next week. So free cash Wednesday, free cash Friday, and if we hunt out some other opportunities, we're going to get free cash on Tuesdays and Thursdays probably, and who knows, there might even be some free cash laying on the floor on Monday. So have a great weekend, traders. Busy weekend for me, but I will get up a video hopefully tomorrow. We'll go through the templates, we'll discuss this, and again, reinforcing consistency comes in the process. Master the process, master yourself, master the setups, and master the markets. Have a great day, traders, and may the markets go with you.